everyone, Nathan here, one of the BodyMods partners. Thanks for tuning in. So we have exciting news. We have done a renovation at the studio by BodyMods, a little facelift. A little bit overdue, but we're excited about it. We can't wait to show it to you. It was cool before, now it's just like next level. Come with me, I'm going to show it to you. So as I said, we've done a massive renovation here. If you'd been to the studio before, you'll remember it was quite dark, a little bit heavy. It was definitely mid to late 2000s. So we've lightened it. We've made it more airy and open and more brighter and smarter looking. Materials are still absolute top quality, so everything meets and exceeds Health Board standards. Everything's super wipeable and really gorgeous. So everything from the floor here, non-porous, wipeable, doesn't absorb anything. It's actually a rubber floor. To the waiting area here, all leather, wipeable, cleanable, and all that stuff. Yeah, check it out. So for the jewelry selection here, all sorts of things to feast your eyes on, which if you come on down, you'll get a closer look at. But lots of custom stuff, everything from 14 karat gold, some 18 karat gold stuff, high grade titanium, all implant grade surgical steel, lots of custom work here. Of course, our interactive tattoo flash system, which is really, really cool. So you can come down and you can play with different fonts, you can check out all the artist portfolios and stuff like that. Everything's been touched, new POS, everything's modernized and picked up. So yeah, this is our latest interpretation of what a studio should be. We've got a nice focal focus piece here, nice focus wall here of aftercare products and dyes and hair dyes and stuff like that. And BodyMods produced things like our stretch aid. Yeah, come on in, keep following me this way here. So you'll notice we've got a couple of artist stations here. The whole point of this having two stations kind of open with the POS area over there and the waiting area over to your left there as Amanda pans is that this is a shared experience. This studio is meant to be open, airy, shared, storytelling, traditional, the way in which traditional tattoo work was applied way back in the day. It really creates a really neat experience. Come with me and check it out. There's the artist's work area where they put their, where they create their magic. All right, come with me. Okay, and back here, where we've got our cleaning room in the back here against the wall. That's where everything, just the finest equipment, the latest and greatest technology for making sure that we're operating at peak efficiency for sterility and hygiene and cleanliness and stuff like that. So lots of top-end equipment there to get that job done. And newly renovated washroom, check it out. Oh, there's Amanda.
Got some nice artwork in the bathroom.
Yeah. Make sure you check yourself out before you leave. Make sure you're looking all super fine. Yeah, and then across the way here we've got our piercing room. Again, everything beyond medical grade quality, from the paint to the floor to the materials that the furniture is made of. When the health inspector comes in, we just blow that thing right out of the water. It's pretty cool. Come on in, check it out. Come on this way, or
yeah.
So there you have it, folks. So that's our latest interpretation of what the studio should represent. Hope you like it, and I think this is our 6th or 7th year we've had the studio here, Amanda.
I think it's, yeah.
Yeah. Going on 7 years, something like that.
Yeah, I think we opened 2013.
Yeah. So the studio opened 2013, which is 11 years after BodyMods first opened, actually. So it's been a really fun ride, and thank you so much for your support and allowing us to do what we do and to continue to look after you. And it's an honor, and we look forward to you coming down and check out our new digs here. And looking forward to another 7 years. Anywho, folks, thanks so much for checking out this video. Thanks for sharing another few minutes with us. Are we filming right now still?
Yep.
Okay. And looking forward to you coming down to check it out. And hopefully I'm down here, I can meet you. And if not, there'll be great artists here to meet you, great front-end crew to meet you, and you'll have a blast, I guarantee it. Cool. Thanks, everyone. See you later.